In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. First, a quick heads up. There's no guaranteed way to bring back a deleted conversation once Instagram has fully removed it from their servers. That said, these safe methods give you the best chance without risking your account or data. Start with Instagram's data download tool. Open the app and head to Settings, then Security, and tap Download Data. Enter your email address and request your download. Instagram will compile a file of your account information and send you a link. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days. When the email arrives, download the file and open it on your phone or computer. Inside, look for the Messages section, often labeled Messages or Direct, where you may find copies of chats, including ones you recently deleted if they're still retained on Instagram's side. If you don't see the conversation, it likely means the data was already removed before the export was generated. Also note that download links expire, so grab it promptly. Next, check whether the chat was archived rather than deleted. In your Instagram direct inbox, look for an archived chats option. If you see it, open it and browse for the thread. Opening and sending a message in that conversation typically brings it back to your main inbox. If your Instagram account is linked to Facebook Creator Studio, log in there and open the Instagram direct inbox. Because some cross platform messages sync across Meta tools, a conversation that seems gone in the app may still appear there, and you can copy any important details before it disappears everywhere. On Android, notification history can be a lifesaver if it was enabled earlier. Go to your device settings, open notifications, and look for notification history. If it's on, scroll to Instagram to view past message notifications. You might only see previews or portions of messages, but it's often enough to recover key information. If it was off, turn it on now so future messages are captured. Finally, consider asking the other person in the conversation. They might still have the thread and can forward messages or share screenshots, which is often the quickest way to regain context. Avoid third-party recovery apps or services that promise miracles. They can compromise your account. And remember, success depends on timing and what Instagram still retains. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.